Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the can opener. Introducing the ultimate kitchen essential. Say goodbye to the frustration of struggling with stubborn cans. This can opener features a handle for a comfortable grip, sharp stainless steel blades for effortless cutting, and a sleek, compact design that fits perfectly in any kitchen drawer. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or tackling a gourmet recipe, this can opener ensures a smooth, safe, and easy experience every time. Elevate your culinary convenience and make meal prep a breeze with this reliable can opener, your favorite kitchen companion. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.